All right, math fans, here we go. 8, 9, and 10. Let's do these real fast. 8. Okay, so you should have seen this picture so many times that you're like, oh, I can totally do this. But here we go. So if that's 142, well, this one right here would make it 180 degrees. So 180 minus 42, that's got to be 38. Oh, what did I just do? Erase all that. So this has got to be 38 right here. Because that's the same as that. This is also 38. And they want to know A to C. Therefore, A plus C is 76. Yay! Number 9. Number 9 is really the problem that I thought we were going to be doing, but that's okay. Find x. This is a radius. Whenever you find a radius, that means anywhere from the center to the edge. That's 25, that's 25, that's 25, that's 25, that's 25, that's 25, 25, 25, 25, 25. All those are 25 no matter where I draw them, but the one I really want is this one right here. Boing! Because I have a right triangle. Okay? So the whole thing is x, so I'm just going to call this one y. So here we go. 7 squared plus y squared equals 25 squared minus 7 squared. That's 725 minus 49. I don't feel like knowing what 725 minus 49 is. 676. 676. And if that comes out nice and pretty, I don't know. Holy cow, that's 26 squared. So y equals 26. I switched to blue. That means this is 26. And this is 26. Yay! Therefore, x must equal 52. I almost said 48. And then I read 58. All right? I guarantee you will see a problem like this. Now, they may give you the diameter instead. Say, hey, the diameter is 50, which means you have to come up with the radius. So what? They may give you this and say, hey, the radius is 25, but that distance right there is 18. So you got to figure out the other one's 7, that sort of thing. But you can do that. All right, tangents. Remember tangents. First thing you need to do is go, hey, right angle, right angle. Yay! Find K to E. Oh, that kind of stinks. Find K to E. I don't think we've done one like this before. I gotta think about this for a second. Well, I can Pythag for this one, and then Pythag for, so I'm gonna say this is C squared, and then Pythag for this one. Call that x squared. So that's 5 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. Well, I just happen to know that that's 13. All right, I just have done that so many times. The other one, so I've got 13, 1.5, and x squared. So that's x squared plus 1.5 squared equals 13 squared. If I subtract the 1.5 squared, x squared equals, and I don't know what that is off the top of my head, 13 squared minus 1.5 squared is 166.75. I guarantee you that is not coming up pretty to the 0.5. That means x equals 12.913. That is K to E. All right, so basically we just Pythagged it twice. Nope, that is not right. That is absolutely not right. That got me C squared. Let me pause this for a second. Okay, I've come to the realization that this is not doable. But one thing I did notice, I also looked at in the tests. And you know what? There are no questions like this on the test. So guess what? Don't worry about it! Here's the other thing you need to worry about. These 3 down here, these 4 down here, this is stuff that goes on the next test. So don't worry about that either. That is gone. No mas forget it. Ha ha ha. Feel nice and coloring. Mwahahaha. I know you're really sad, so I'll hide a sad face in there. All right, that's enough of that.